Alright, so if we go to the app and press this button, every time we will get a random word from this library. So we don't have to write everything from scratch. There are libraries for us which can do work for us, and we just have to use this library to make a great application. Alright, so we made this application in our last video, and now we want to show some random words here. For this we are going to use plugins in Flutter. Okay, so if you want to add a new feature in your app like GPS or the audio feature or the notification, you don't have to work from scratch. There are plugins for Flutter which you can just use to make your great application. You have to go to the website, which is pub.dev. Here you can find all the plugins for Flutter. We are going to use let's say you want the GPS plugin and you want to navigate and you want to get the location of the user. You can use this GPS plugin. To make it simple, we are going to use a plugin which is Flutter English Words plugin. Flutter English Word plugin. Okay, this is the plugin which we are going to use. To use a plugin, this is the name of the plugin and this is the version of the plugin. We have to first install this plugin. So here in our app, we have a file which is called publicspecs.yml. Open this file, and here we have one plugin already installed which is Cupertino Icons, and we want to add this plugin. So copy this complete name of the plugin and the version, go to your app and just paste right here. You can just remove this version number and save this file. This will automatically get the updated version of this plugin. If you want to use a specific version for compatibility with other plugins, you can use a specific version for this plugin. Okay, so if we have error code 0, that means we have no errors in adding a plugin. Alright, so we have exit code 0. That means everything worked really well. Now we have to use this plugin in our app. For this we have to import the file of this plugin. Just go to your app and write import and write package / English words, press enter, and statement terminator. That's it. Now here on our app I want to show some random words here. For this, and we can just update it and write here word pair dot random dot as Pascal case. Okay, there are many other options. You can get the lowercase, uppercase. I want the Pascal case, so I'm writing the Pascal case, and then copy this variable and make sure you are using it here. Every time I press this button, I need an updated random Pascal case word. Okay, so save this file. So this is the final result. We are getting the random words from a library which we just used in this app. There are many other plugins for GPS, camera, files, and other stuff that you can use. Thanks for watching this video. Looking forward for your feedback. Keep watching my videos and make great applications.